Someone asks you something in English. You understand that you know the answer, and then nothing. And 5 minutes later, you're thinking, wait, I knew exactly what I wanted to say. If this happens to you, your English might not actually be the problem. The real problem is what happens the first 3 seconds after somebody asks you a question. And I'm gonna show you what fluent speakers do during these 3 seconds, because they also freeze. They just hit it better. Listen to native speakers carefully. They don't always answer like this. What's your opinion? My opinion is they say, well, honestly, let me think. I mean, those little expressions are doing something extremely important. They are buying time. And that's what I want you to learn. Not how to answer faster, how to give your brain enough time to answer at all. Let's start with the easiest one. Imagine I asked you, what do you think about working from home? In your brain, it's a moment. Don't go, just say, give me a second, or give me a second to think. That's it. You've just brought yourself 5 seconds. Actually, let's test this. I'm going to ask you something. Don't answer immediately. Ready? What would you do if you could live anywhere in the world? Use the phrase first. Now, imagine the question is more difficult. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? And you're thinking, brother, I don't even know what I'm doing for dinner. Say, that's a good question. And then start thinking. But please, only use this when it's actually making sense. What is your name? That's a good question. No, that's suspicious. But sometimes you don't need to think. You know exactly what you want to say. You just don't know how to say it in English. That's different. Use, how can I put this? Do you like your new boss? How can I put this? He's difficult. Now you don't look lost. You're basically telling the other person, I have an answer. I'm just looking for the new words. And native speakers do this all the time. But here's where learners make a bigger mistake. Sometimes they start answering, make one mistake, and completely abandon the sentence. You don't need to do that. Imagine you say, my job is I have many, don't restart the entire conversation. Say, what I mean is I have a lot of responsibilities at work. Boom! Conversation saved. This is something people misunderstand about fluency. Fluent speakers don't create perfect sentences every single time. They're just really good at repairing sentences while they speak. Now, what if the problem isn't speaking? What if you simply didn't understand them? Most learners do something extremely dangerous. They go, yeah, exactly, even though they understood absolutely nothing. Don't fake it. Say, sorry, I didn't catch that. Or even better, I didn't catch the last part. That's normal. You're not admitting my English is terrible. You're just asking somebody to repeat themselves. And sometimes you understood 90%. You're just missing one thing. Don't ask them to repeat everything. Confirm what you understood. How long have you been doing that? Do you mean teaching? Yeah, don't. Now look at what happens. Need time? Give me a second. Hard question? That's a good question. Can't find the words? How can I put this? Your sentence went wrong? What I mean is, didn't understand? Didn't catch that. Not completely sure. Do you mean? And that's the point. Fluency isn't never getting stuck. Fluency is knowing what to do when you get stuck. So next time somebody speaks English to you, don't panic. Pick one of these phrases and use it. And if you want to learn English for real conversations instead of just memorizing rules, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.